a really good energy that people like. So it's good. I just, for so many reasons, I just have to really hit the nail on the head with the thumbnail and the titling, and then I can even feature it on our homepage, like for returning subscribers. Well, this would be a good one because it won't. Yeah. Hi, Mark. You gotta come look inside. Mark, this is Milo. Mark. He has 1,000 watts of solar on his trailer.
Oh, jealous. So my keyboard and mouse can go here, so I can work really handy from here. And then it just folds.
That is a very, very clever touch.
Folds right back there. Yeah, I know I needed a table in here, and it kind of got to a point where I didn't know where to put it, so I was like, I'll just mount it to the wall and make it work. So I put Polaroids here, and then it's also a chalkboard, so. And then up here is my over-the-cab storage.
Nice.
So you can see parts of my build still need help, like this little piece needs help. This I'm gonna redo, so still a work in progress, but always. That is really deep storage where I have like my sleeping bag, my toiletries bag, and all my clothes. The number one question I got in my van tour was, where do you store your clothes? And I went over it, but it's right there. And I even have a little heater up here. So this little heater just plugs in right here, and it is really small and only takes 350 watts to run it, and it puts out quite a bit of heat for this little space. So I only have to run it for 5-10 minutes and takes the morning chill off, which is really nice. Yeah.
Everyone's gonna want to know who makes the heater, and is it on Amazon?
Oh, it is on Amazon. Let's see. The heater is Brightown little ceramic heater. It has a timer, temperature control, and a big old kill switch. You can even flip around the little plug in case you want it upside down. Yeah, works really well. I think it was only like 20 bucks, so. But I was specifically looking for one that only drew 350 watts because I have a very small battery, so yeah. I made these little light covers for my light switches because the lights that I bought are way too bright. They're like household lights, so they're not meant to be this close to your face. So I had to add something. So these are just twigs that are all glued together that kind of make this little dome shape. Oh yeah, that's on the other side. So on this side, underneath Teller's dog beds, I have my window coverings, and then my pop-up bathroom tent right there, some DoorDash bags, and then this platform can come out, and I have an e-bike stored under there.
Wow.
Yeah, it's a folding e-bike. It comes apart in 3 places, so it's super easy to pull in and out. It can charge off of my battery right in that storage compartment.
Right, while you're driving?
Yep.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Yeah.
Never would have guessed you had an electric bike. Not in a million years.
I'm actually thinking about taking it out because I don't use it that much now that I have Teller. He does like to run alongside the bike with me, but I much prefer walking with him. So I think I'm going to take that out and use that for storage for like a tent, some life jackets, maybe even an inflatable kayak. So there's a lot of space under there. So I think I'm going to try to find more stuff to throw in this van, believe it or not. But yeah, so if anybody wants an e-bike, which will be on the market soon.
Sounds good. What's the brand name on it?
It's a Swagtron. It's an EB5 commuter e-bike. Yeah.
And just more stuff on this side.
Yeah, this is kind of like my bathroom area, I would like to say. So this is my pop-up toilet, shower, and then toilet paper and stuff all get stored in there. And then this is Teller's tent.
He's got his own tent.
He does have his own tent.
Good.
You're okay. Yep. I used to have a lot of this stored actually in my kitchenette, and I was really happy to be able to find space for it over here.
So to go to the bathroom and take a shower, you have the pressurized. How do we call that? What's the brand name of this? This isn't the normal brand name.
It's a Dr. Prepare one. It's the same idea though, where you like pump it up with your foot after you add the water in to add
Right.
pressure.